too. Damn, two-step didn't engage. I was trying to hit this two-step for him. That was kind of embarrassing. I'm gonna need to change the shift knob. This billet stuff gets extremely hot. I'm gonna need to order that Grannis leather one. It's like 100 degrees out today, guys. So the car's running as best as it can with this temperature, but man, the shifter is really, really hot. Like really hot. Damn, give no shits. Took the red light. Was gonna try to do something. It was on my ass real close. Nowadays you don't know what a cool sports car is or a SUV family car. Like all the headlights look the same. Everything has those little LED light strips or whatever they're called. Now a quick picture for social media and it's time to go home. Gotta turn the wheel slightly. This is what my cruises are, you guys. Literally just take the car out, go for a cruise. I can, whenever I want to go out and do a rip or something, or kind of just see what, you know, open the car up a little bit, I go to a road where there's no cars. Trying to be safe with myself and other people around me. And I would encourage you guys to do the same. Don't be doing that shit out in the street and going through cars. Like nowadays I've seen something called cutting up or something like that. Cutting up. Don't do that shit, you guys. That shit's stupid. You're gonna kill somebody. If you're trying to do something, make sure there's no cars around you. Easy as that. I know I'm not perfect by no means and far from it, but at the same time, I'm not over here, you know, risking hitting somebody who's just trying to get home. So please be careful. Just a quick cruise, take the cobwebs off the car. Now, quick question for those who made it to the end of the video. For those of you who have your cars wrapped, whenever you drive it out, like if you're in Texas and it's extremely hot, do you guys ever pop the hood? I'm always worried that the heat from the turbo and all this stuff is gonna kind of bubble up my wrap or discolor it. Am I the only one? Do any of y'all do that? What's up, boy? How you doing? Huh?